we're working towards standardizing on the 751.20 in the cloud. We're an ITAR company in compliancy, so we're in the ITAR cloud as well. Part of our goals is to understand the health of our business from a costing model, from how shipments, where is stuff, and the platforms we had weren't accomplishing that. So our end goal is to be able to instantaneously tell what the health is. And having a standardized platform, standardized reporting is going to be key in delivering that. Initially, the greatest benefit is going to be a singular platform, de-risking our environment, getting rid of all that legacy hardware and software, having it in a supportable environment like a cloud SaaS with guaranteed SLAs. Those are key things. Like every pressured IT group, resources are key, and we just never have enough to support those on-premise environments anymore. So that was the first initial victory by bringing everything to that. Secondly is having a standardized view of your business, being able to tell your investors how well we're doing today, this month, this year, year over year. All those numbers are key, and having that ability will be, when we're done our journey, will be fantastic. I think the third option then is looking at having a platform where we can grow. I always use the crawl, walk, run philosophy. We're crawling at the moment, getting a standardized platform. Having the tool set like Smart Hub will allow us to look at our manual processes and eliminate those, adding that automation into it. And that's probably the walk. And then when we run, we want to look at what's available in the 8.0 in the cloud instances and what that's going to bring for us.